Welcome to Automotive World, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, detailed specifications, and expert insights on the most powerful and advanced machines in the world. Today, we take a closer look at the Abrams M1A2, one of the most formidable main battle tanks ever built. Designed for superior firepower, protection, and mobility, the M1A2 is a true powerhouse on the battlefield. The Abrams M1A2 is an upgraded version of the original M1, featuring a 120mm smoothbore gun capable of firing various types of advanced munitions. Its fire control system ensures exceptional accuracy, allowing it to engage enemy targets effectively at long ranges. Equipped with a powerful Honeywell AGT1500 gas turbine engine, the tank delivers impressive speed and maneuverability, even in challenging terrains. The engine produces 1,500 horsepower, enabling the M1A2 to reach speeds of up to 42 miles per hour on roads and 30 miles per hour off-road. Protection is a key aspect of the M1A2's design. The tank features advanced composite armor, including layers of depleted uranium, which provide exceptional defense against kinetic energy penetrators and chemical energy threats. It also comes with an active protection system that detects and neutralizes incoming projectiles, enhancing survivability on the battlefield. The crew of 4, consisting of a commander, gunner, loader, and driver, benefits from a highly protected and ergonomic interior. The M1A2 incorporates state-of-the-art electronics and battlefield management systems, offering real-time data sharing and enhanced situational awareness. The tank is equipped with thermal imaging and advanced optics, allowing it to operate effectively in low light and adverse weather conditions. Its digital architecture enables seamless communication with other armored units, making it a key asset in modern warfare. Upgrades such as the M1A2 September System Enhancement Package further enhance its capabilities with improved armor, advanced computing power, and an integrated auxiliary power unit. The addition of the Trophy Active Protection System in recent variants increases defense against guided missile threats. The tank's ability to be continuously upgraded ensures it remains a dominant force on the battlefield. Despite its immense power and capabilities, the M1A2 has certain challenges, including high operational costs and fuel consumption. However, its unmatched performance and battlefield dominance make it a preferred choice for the U.S. military and allied forces. That's all for today's review of the Abrams M1A2. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automotive World for more content on the most powerful vehicles and machines. Stay tuned for more exciting videos.